Hi, I'm Aaron. We're at SMP Poland, where we're going to see what goes into designing and manufacturing standard and Blue Streak VVT solenoids. Before any part can go into production, it has to be designed first. Here, engineers evaluate weak points in the OE design to create a longer-lasting VVT solenoid. In here, there's a coordinate measurement machine capable of measuring down to half a micron, as well as optical microscopes and surface roughness meters. To ensure quality, every step of the manufacturing process is done completely in-house. Raw materials arrive here, where they're thoroughly inspected by a quality engineer.
Here is where the solenoid really starts to take shape. This high-tech CNC machine transforms the raw material into a solid, one-piece valve body that is stronger than many OE designs. The next step is creating the internal bobbins which hold the copper windings in place. Precision matters. The shape and wall thickness of each bobbin affect the magnetic performance of the solenoid. Here is where the copper is precision wound to the bobbin. This facility only uses the highest quality copper wire for consistent performance. The oil filter is another critical part of the solenoid. Here, a stainless steel oil filter is welded to the body. This is a stronger, more robust design than the plastic filters used on many other solenoids. It's really starting to come together. Here, the contacts are added to the solenoid. For complete quality control, the final few steps are done by hand. First, an experienced technician joins the precision-engineered armature to the stainless steel shaft. Now, it's time to put it all together. The body is attached to the armature assembly and to the solenoid. Next, it's inserted into the metal housing before being pressed together, forming the final product. Before any solenoid can be placed into the standard or Blue Streak box, it is end-of-line tested for quality and performance.
The end result? A VVT solenoid that's been precision manufactured every step of the way.